money fly. Fucking iPhone and fucking PC and all this fucking bullshit mess. Because that's what all fucking kids want for Christmas, isn't it? How about a book? Or maybe a bicycle? Or maybe a puppeteer show? No one plays with puppeteers anymore.